First step is to remove the seat. I have already done it. You can do it by untightening the 14mm bolts. These are 4. Right there. One is right there and another one is right there. After you remove the seat, remove the rails from the seat. As you can see, I'm also have done it, so let's go to the next step. Next step is to attach the adapter brackets I have made. It's very easy to install. You will find in the set all the bolts you need. It's 5mm hexagon. Don't forget to tighten all the bolts, all these 4. Those are welded to the brackets, so you don't need to do nothing for them, so that's it. Second step is to attach the rails to the adapters. So the rails are attached. As you can see, there is a OEM seatbelt buckle left, so you can attach it over there. So you can use the OEM seatbelt. Now I have to tighten the rails to the adapters. I use these washers and nuts. These nuts are 13mm, so you will use the 13mm. Yeah, there is another one, the washer, the 13mm nut. To reach the rest of the bolts, you have to slide the rail down. It will be over there and there. So as you can see, I have slided the rails, and these are the bolts. Okay, let's take the washer, the nut, one, and there's the second one. Don't forget to tighten them. Now all the bolts are tightened. The rails are on the bucket seat. As you can see, it fits perfectly. As I mentioned, you can use the OEM seatbelt, but I'm using our harnesses, so I'm not using it. I'm just left it. So it's time to put all the seat in the car. It fits perfectly, so just tighten the bolts. 14mm. All the bolts. 2 in the back. One there, one over there. And you will get these 2 bolts in the back. See, one there, one is there. Just slide the seat to the back and you will see another 2 there and there. That's it. The bucket seat is in the place. It took me about 10-15 minutes to do that, so it's very easy. Now it's left to put on the harnesses, and that's it. You can find these adapter brackets in the eBay. I will post the link below in the comments. All you need is just 13-14mm wrench and 5mm hexagon. That's it. As you can see, I'm using 2 bucket seats. Both are attached by these adapters. It works perfectly.